Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, June 24th, 2021. It is 3:14 and 43 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, inherited cancer. And don't forget to check out my website. Well, let's hop to it here. Inherited risk of early onset cancer is higher among minority families. Date June 22nd, 2021. Source, Keck School of Medicine of USC. A new study shows inherited risk of early onset cancer is significantly higher among Latino and African American families for solid tumors and Asian Pacific Islander families for blood-based cancers compared to non-Latino white families in California. Researchers used California population-based registries to evaluate the relative cancer risk among first-degree relatives of patients diagnosed with cancer by the age 26. And this study demonstrates the need for increased scrutiny on familial cancer clustering in minority populations. Increased risk of cancer due to a genetic predisposition in first and second degree relatives is long established, but has previously only been studied in white or European populations. Cancer clustering within families, meaning the devastating diagnosis of more than one early onset cancer within the same family, usually points to a genetic cause. Interestingly, family cancer clustering has only been examined previously at the population level in white or European origin population studies. In this study, researchers looked at clustering of cancer cases in young family members in California over the past 30 years within non-white populations and compared it for the first time to white populations. Researchers found that family-based cancer clustering occurs more frequently among minority populations. Researchers used California population-based health registries to evaluate the relative cancer risk among parents, siblings, and children of patients diagnosed with cancer by the age of 26. Between 1989 and 2015, they identified 29,632 early onset cancer patients and then examined cancer incidence in 62,863 healthy family members. And they found that overall, mothers and siblings of those cancer patients had a higher relative risk of early onset cancer. But when they looked at the role of race and ethnicity in genetic predisposition, they found that for patients with solid tumors, the familial cancer risk was significantly higher for Latino and non-Latino black mothers and siblings compared to non-Latino white families. Asian Pacific Islanders had a higher familial risk for blood-based cancers compared to non-Latino whites. This study demonstrates the need for increased scrutiny on familial cancer clustering in minority populations. This information could help healthcare providers and genetic counselors offer more precision-based care and advice, particularly in multi-ethnic populations that reside in Los Angeles County. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.